In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify a DocuSign signature step by step. Whether you've received an important contract, agreement, or legal document, it's essential to confirm that the signature is valid and that the document has been properly completed inside DocuSign. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can confidently check the sign status in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by typing DocuSign.com into your address bar or by going directly to apps.docusign.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your DocuSign account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account where the document was sent or received, otherwise you may not see the agreement you're looking for. After you've successfully signed in, you'll land on the DocuSign home dashboard. From here, look at the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. This section contains all the envelopes and documents that have been sent, received, drafted, or completed under your account. Clicking on Agreements will open a list view where you can filter and organize your documents. Next, you'll want to narrow down the results to only show completed documents. To do that, find and click on the Completed tab. This is very important because only completed envelopes contain fully executed signatures. If a document is still marked as sent or in progress, that means not all parties have signed yet. By selecting Completed, you're ensuring that you're reviewing a finalized document. Once you're inside the Completed section, scroll through the list and locate the specific document you want to verify. You can use the search bar if you have many agreements and need to find one quickly by name, recipient, or date. When you find the correct document, click directly on it to open the Document Details page. After opening the document, you'll be able to review its status and confirm that it shows as signed or completed. This status indicates that all required parties have successfully applied their electronic signatures. You can also open the document itself to visually confirm the signature fields. DocuSign places a signature indicator and certificate of completion within the document, which provides an audit trail showing when the document was sent, viewed, and signed. If you want to go a step further in verifying authenticity, look for the certificate of completion. This certificate includes important details such as the signer's email address, IP address, timestamps, and a unique envelope ID. These details serve as proof that the signature is legitimate and processed securely through DocuSign's encrypted system. And that's it. That's how you verify a DocuSign signature quickly and correctly. Just log in, go to Agreements, click on Completed, open your document, and confirm the sign status and certificate of completion. It only takes a minute once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped you verify your DocuSign document, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.